He's my assistant. This is Destin. He's my assistant today. We're working our way around to see all of the different vendors and to find out how we can network with them. Destin, say hi. Are you vegan?
Yes.
Very good. What's up, family? This is Dr. Baruch of the ELife Restaurant Group here in the DMV. That's the DC metropolitan area, DC, Maryland, and Virginia. And I represent Everlasting Life and ELife Restaurants. We're a 24-year-old vegan, plant-based restaurant. And we've got 3 locations in the area. Just a little bit about me. I've been a vegan now for 42 years. And I made the change because the most attractive woman I had ever seen in my life until that time said that I shouldn't eat pork. And I was eating a pork chop sandwich and I stopped that. And it made sense to me only because she was the most gorgeous woman I had ever seen. So from there, I realized that it was the same conversation for beef and or cows and chickens and all the rest of that. So I stopped eating pigs, cows and chickens and all of that for the reason really based on what she was telling me was it's not good for me. I stopped eating that, and 42 years now I've been doing that. But 24 years ago, I decided I wanted to do something more than just feed myself healthy food. I decided I wanted to feed my community. There were so many people with high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, amputations, wheelchairs, ramps being built on their homes. I said, you know what, we got to start doing something about this because the pharmaceutical drug killers are just going to continue to make money off of these folk and let them die. So I opened up the Everlasting Life with the purpose of providing the healthiest food that I could get my hands on and wrap it purposefully inside of soul so that it would attract these people. Because if I didn't wrap it in soul, they wouldn't get it. They wouldn't come. Because if I said it was healthy, it would scare them away. So we did that, and we are providing a viable food source to communities that are underserved and disserved ever since we've been doing that. And really having a positive impact on our community. We see the need for education. We see the need for, people who are of great influence to say that they're becoming vegan. So we appreciate the celebrities and all the sports figures that are becoming vegan. It helps us do what we do. And we especially like conferences like these where we can come together with people who have great ideas, great resources, who can bolster you and support you, but likewise get bolstered and supported by what you do. So again, I'm Dr. Baruch of the ELife Restaurant Group. You can catch us on the social media platforms and on our website at eliferestaurantgroup.com and eliferestaurant.com. I appreciate you all, and I look forward to seeing you at the restaurant. Let's help make this difference because we're going to change the world one meal at a time. Thank you.